is the new Model Y Performance. So this thing is getting a full PPF done on it. XPEL Ultimate Plus protection film. We're gonna start prepping it, disassembling it. So for those who don't know, the Model Y actually has a power lift gate, has a lot more trunk space. I don't know why I'm still wearing my wrap glove, but it has a lot more trunk space. So this would probably be the one that I would get instead of the 3 because I like how practical it is. I like going snowboarding and stuff, so having this extra space is gonna be really cool. And it's also available for 7 seaters, so you can add 2 extra seats in the back. But the interior of it is pretty much like the Model 3. If you look inside, it's pretty much like the Model 3. What's really cool though, and I like, is that the rocker panels is like the X. All this is actually plastic. So unlike the 3s, this is gonna be a lot more durable against the rocks and stuff, but we're still gonna protect it completely.
And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Living life up in the fast lane.
So this is a perfect example of what you would get when you get your car done with us in the satin protection. So as you can see, all the tow hooks are always removed. Headlights are all wrapped under. Bumper is wrapped inside. The parking sensors are actually going to be cut out, and the parking sensors are going to be protected as well. There's a lot of companies that don't even protect parking sensors. And of course, around the headlights is wrapped under. Cameras are wrapped under. Front of the edges of the doors are now all wrapped inside. Even under here, which is extremely important, this edge, because of the tires, it always chips the edge of this fender. So we wrap those inside. Model Y update. So as you guys can see, we treat this car as if we're doing a color change. So all the trims on this car have been removed. Our pattern is going to be wrapping under all of these. So we're going for a full seamless look, full wrapped edges. The only thing that we didn't take off yet is a spoiler. But if you guys are interested in getting your Teslas protected, we take a lot of pride in doing these. We treat these cars the same as we treat the Lambos. So same care, same installation techniques, just on a Tesla. So let us know if you guys have any inquiries about that. For those who are actually wondering, this is a Tesla Model 3, all done in the satin protection film. What's really cool about this film, it doesn't change the color of the car, but it changes the finish. The advantages of doing this is actually it still protects your car like a paint protection film. So this entire car has been protected. This is what you would normally get. The only changes that this owner made was we tinted the headlights, the fog lights, and also the taillights with the XPEL film, which is extremely, extremely glossy. Literally a protection film with a tint in it. So just to show you, this is what you should be expecting if you got your protection film done by us. Every single edge of this car is wrapped as if it's wrapped like a vinyl wrap. So if you go on every single edge, the bumpers, the fenders, you're not gonna see any exposed edges because this is what we want. We want it to make it look like this is factory paint. So this is a stealth, XPEL stealth protection film that you can get on your Tesla, any car actually. But if you're specifically looking for Tesla Model 3, what it would look like on the blue, this is what you'd be getting.